So the question is regarding cross-linked or network polymers, which of the following statements is correct? So the first statement is they contain covalent bonds between various polymer chains. So yes, they contain covalent bond. As for example, that it is a, let's say this is a cross-linked a polymer. So a polymer may have multiple monomers attached to it. So and the bonds between them are covalent bonds. So this option is correct. And third option is examples are bakelite and melamine. So yeah, bakelite and melamine are also uh, the cross-linked or network polymers. So this is also correct. And third is they are formed from bi and tri-functional monomers. So yeah, this is correct. As we need this atom has to be connected to three or two uh, monomers in order to have bi and tri-functional monomers. So this option is also correct. So the remaining option, which is this, they contain strong covalent bond in the network chain. So this is uh, partially incorrect. So this is the answer. Option 2 is the answer.